Hey guys, what's up? This is Akash. Welcome back to this gentleman, and today's video is going to be about how to install Windows 11 in a virtual machine. So let's get started. Here we are on our laptop screen. To install the Windows 11, the first thing we need is obviously we need the ISO file of Windows 11. So for this we will go to our browser and search for Windows 11 ISO, and we can see the official site of Microsoft. We'll open it, and now we will have to scroll a bit to find the option for the ISO file, and here we can see it. We will choose the Windows 11 option and click on download. Now we have to choose a product language. I'll go with English, and now I'll confirm it. Now here's the option to download the 64-bit version of Windows, and click it and downloading will be started. So as I have already downloaded it, I'll cancel it. Moving to the second thing we need is a tool or a software to create virtual machines. You can download VirtualBox from Oracle, or you can also go with the VMware. But for this video, I'll continue with the VirtualBox. By the way, if you know how to use VirtualBox, you can easily use VMware. And to download VirtualBox, we'll have to search it here. And now we have the site virtualbox.org. We'll open it. Go to the downloads. Now we'll have to just select our host operating system. So if you are using Windows, so please select Windows. You are in Linux, please select Linux. Please select it according to your operating system. I won't download it again because I have already done it. And you can download it and install it by simple processor, as we do with all other softwares. Next and finish. Or if you don't know how to do it, please just let me know through the comments. I'll make a different video on that. For now, let's continue. Now we have all the resources to install Windows 11 in a virtual machine. So now we'll open our VirtualBox, and you will see this interference. I have created some other virtual machines, so you can see them here. And to create a new virtual machine, you'll click on new. And now we have to choose a name for our virtual machine. I'll go with Windows 11, and you can see that these other options get changed itself. So if you go with some other name, you have to choose them manually. For now, we'll move ahead. Click on next. I have 16 GB RAM in my system, and it is recommended like I have to provide 4 GB RAM to Windows 11. Otherwise, it will not run smoothly. I'll suggest you that choose it according to your system specifications. If you have 32 GB RAM, mm, you can increase this, or you if you have only 4 GB RAM, I don't suggest you to run a virtual machine on a 4 GB RAM system. So for now, we'll move ahead and click on next. Here we will choose the second option, create a virtual hard disk now, as you don't have any other existing hard disks. And click on VDI. Now we'll choose the dynamically option, because with this we can change the size. Also, after creating the virtual machine, we can just go to setting and we can adjust the size. But if we choose the fixed size, we cannot change it. Next. Now we have to give the storage space to our virtual machine. So as I will not use it more, I will just delete it after making this tutorial. So I'm just giving it 100 GB for now. Now click on create. Now here we can see a virtual machine with the name of Windows 11. We will click on start, and now here you will have to choose your ISO file which we downloaded it in the starting. In the very beginning we s- we downloaded the ISO file for Windows 11. Just click on this option and find that file and choose that. Now I'll start, press any key to installation. Now here we have to choose some basic informations like language and time currency format, keyboard input methods. Now click on next. Click on install now. As we don't have any product key, so we'll go with I don't have any product key. Select the edition. Click on next. Oh, so we are getting an error here that this PC can't run Windows 11 due to system requirements. Okay, just close this, and we have to follow a simple procedure. Press Shift plus F10. Now we get the command prompt. Now write reg edit and enter. We'll get the registry editor. Now go to the H key local machine and expand it. Now expand the system. Here we can find the setup. Now right click on that and go to new, and now go to key. We have to create a new key here, and we have to give it name, mm, lab config. Right click here and now go to new, go to dword 32-bit value. We will rename it and we'll type bypass, no space, secure boot check, enter. Now double click on it and set the value data to 1. Again right click, go to new, go to 32-bit value, rename it, type bypass tpm check, enter. Double click on it, set the value data to 1, enter. Just close it, close the cmd and click on install now. I don't have a product key. Select your edition, click on next, and now we are good to go. Just accept and next. So now we have to install window. You can create divide different divisions here. I'll just pass, click on next, and it's installing. Now it will install as all the other versions like Windows 10 and Windows 7. I'll fast forward it. Now it will restart. You can click on restart now. It's restarting, guys. So here we are on our Windows 11, and now we will have to select some general information like which region are you in. I'll just pass, like I'll select anything. I'll skip. Now it's checking for updates. I know it's gonna take a lot of time as my internet connection is slow. So I'll just fast forward it, or now we will have to give our device a name. Let's go with gentleman. And next. Now you just need to sign in here, and I think you guys can do it yourself. You just need to sign in and create a password. Then you are just ready to go with Windows 11. And if you guys find it helpful, please like and share. Please subscribe to the channel, and you can write down in the comment sections if you have any problem regarding this, and whatever video you want, please write down in the comment section. I'll work on it. And don't forget to press the bell icon. You can just shut down it from here.